And these are the rules of our lives. Said you wanna love, but you loving ain't right. And these are the rules of our lives. Said you wanna love, but you loving ain't right. Tell me when you gonna get me right, to go and touch your skin, baby, through the night. The way you're moving got me hypnotized.
The savage, yes. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look, show us. Show me a needle. Do it.
I can't see him.
Needle. Hello.
Hi, I'm Savage. Classic bougie savage.
Oh wow.
Again, let's see. Sing it again.
I'm Savage. Classic bougie savage. We're handmade.
Again.
I'm Savage. Classy bougie savage. We're handmade. We're handmade. I'm Savage. Classy bougie savage. I'm having.
How's it going?
Pretty good. Allie,
Yes.
how you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Not too bad.
It's good.
Did you see your substitutions?
I did. How do we return that?
I can take it off right here.
Okay, yes, please. It's the shirt, right?
The shirt? No.
Oh, it showed a shirt.
You know, this is the second time I heard that. I don't know what's going on with it.
Oh.
The Clemente, 3-pound bag of Clemente
Uh-huh.
was substituted for Naval Orange, 4-pound
Oh.
bag of Naval Orange.
Oh, no, I'll keep that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that was the only substitution, and I don't know why they're putting it down as a sports shirt.
Yes.
Somebody else was telling me that too.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Everything's good?
Yes, thank
right.
you.
I'll go ahead and sign for you.
Thank you. Okay, now we're gonna go to the...
True Value. I needed something from there.
What?
What the heck did I need?
You got me feeling. Just got
What's up with these people sitting in the back of the car?
We just got our groceries.
She parked a heck of far. She said, I don't want to be next to nobody. Alright, dude, stay in your lane.
We just got our groceries, and now we are heading to another Walmart. Eli does not know what we're doing.
I gotta go.
I'm doing like a cute little date for him. I hope he doesn't know what we're doing. Do you have a clue?
I don't know.
Tell me what you think.
Nope.
Why?
Because
Because of what?
I don't want to be right.
Oh my gosh, you're so bratty.
Where did you get the idea of this? What you're doing today? Did you see it online or something?
Yeah, I mean, I searched up, like...
Don't slip.
I'm not. I didn't look up anything, like, too specific to what I'm doing, but I searched up, like, date night at home.
But like,
And then I saw...
did you see something that gave you the idea?
Yes. I saw one thing and I was like, oh my gosh, he would love this.
Yeah, homeboy.
So then I'm trying to do it for you. In our shakes today, I'm going to do frozen berries. This is the Kirkland, well, the Costco brand. It has raspberries, blueberries, blackberries. I'm gonna do half an apple, half of this protein shake, half for myself, half for Eli. A little bit of peanut butter, just because I like the flavor of peanut butter in my shakes. And then I'm going to be making us some scrambled eggs with zucchini, mushroom, avocado, cilantro, and I'm most likely going to eat mine with salsa because I love my eggs with salsa, or any kind of spice really. It's a must-have for me. Let me know, since we're all in quarantine right now, let me know some of your guys' date ideas. This is the first time Eli and I are doing this, and I'm super excited because he, like I said, has no clue. And I kind of like that. And yeah. While Eli is outside, I'm going to start making our eggs. So because I'm still not on detox, because I'm still clean eating, I'm going to have egg whites. I'm going to season with turmeric, black pepper, no salt seasoning, and then on top I'm gonna put salsa and all that jazz. So I'm just gonna put all that there. Avocado looks kind of not good, but I'm gonna cut the top off, you know the drill. Again, cilantro, mushroom, zucchini, egg whites. So we're gonna get it going. I made Eli 3 little tacos. Well, he chose the 3 tacos.
3 tacos.
It has egg whites, 1 yolk on accident, zucchini, avocado, very little avocado.
What do you got?
Mushroom, and cilantro. In mine, it's the same thing, but it's in one of these egg white cauliflower wrap things. And then verde salsa. So we're gonna eat. Are you excited for today? Don't do that. Don't.
Is that what they do?
No, ma'am.
Thinking all within, and I'm floating with the tides. It's my fault she in love with the sins. If it's up to me, I would do it all again. She wanted, I could see it in her eyes. Baby, I'll play that part if I go and try. She come from a small town, Los Angeles, California. Hey, got so much booty, the way she back up on you. Hey, all in the rhythm, she finna shake it up. Hey, where is she going? I guess nobody knows. Hey, felt on the surface, that thing just be legit. Catching the high, the way I get it. I feel so addicted, like I could never quit. Pop on my collar, knowing that she gon' trip. Cause, and these are the rules of our lives. Said you wanna love, but you loving ain't right. And these are the rules of our lives. Said you wanna love, but you loving ain't right. And these are the rules of our lives.
Okay, so Eli is in the living room, and I am now done getting ready. I did my makeup, super simple, and then I kind of gave my hair a little bend. But I wanted to show you guys what the room looks like. I'm missing a couple of things, which is fine. I'll get them a little bit later. So I need to get like pillows and stuff. I got a little device there, the screen. I also put lights up there, and then I have 2 blankets right here. I just did this for like little decorations, and then we're gonna play some games too. So yeah, and then I'm waiting for my strainer to cool down, and then I did put this up too. So super simple. I hope he likes it. I'm sure he's going to though. What? Should I do a couple more?
Good.
Should I do fix? Oh, I can eat these first now.
What's the little bowl for?
I was gonna put agave in it for something sweet. Like the cheese. Do you want agave or no?
I think I'm okay without it.
With what?
Without it. Yummy!
Okay. Now, before we make dinner, I'm gonna set up the camera and I'm gonna have Eli go into the room.
Oh my gosh, okay.
And then we'll take this. I was gonna get us wine, or they were sold out of apple cider.
Martinelli's?
Yeah. So
It's okay.
you can drink water. Okay, when you come, bring the Triscuits. Okay?
Just the Triscuit?
Yep. I will take this. I'm gonna go set this
What
up.
about the
I will
plate?
take the cheese plate. Okay, hold on though. I'll tell you when to come. Don't look. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna put this on you guys. Okay. Before he comes in. So here is everything I added, pillows, and then the blankets are over there. This, I put the little lights on, and then I have the plate, the sign, and then I have a couple of games we could play, and then the basket of blankets. So, I know he'll like it.
Dang, bro. I knew it. I knew it. I knew you were gonna get that.
Oh, babe!
This is cute. I like it.
Yeah?
I knew you were gonna do this.
Look, and then I have a little game,
I know.
and a picture, and then blankets.
Cute.
Did you know I was doing this?
Kind of. Had a.
Oh my God.
It's cute. Oh my baby.
It's cute, huh?
Ready?
Yeah. 6, sexualent hair gores. Sexualent hair gores. Sexualent hair gores. Sexualent hair gores. Am I saying it? Sexualent hair gores.
Your timer's up, but just keep going.
Sexual. Is this sexual? Can you tell me that?
Yeah, it is.
Sexual. Sexualent hair gores. Sexualent. So sexual is sexual. Lint hair gores. 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 Int hair gores.
Say it fast.
Int hair gores.
Without pronouncing it so much.
Sexual intercourse. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. 5 minutes later.
Oh my gosh. So tell me, what do you think?
This is pretty dope, girl. You beat me to it, not gonna lie. But it is what it is. Calm heat at tea? I don't know what the heck that is. Calm heat at tea. Calm heat at tea. Calm heat at tea.
Babe.
Call me Daddy. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
That's hard.